Hi everybody, it's me Sissy, and today I have a spooky craft for you. I'm going to show you how to do this do-it-yourself spooky Halloween wreath using everything from the Dollar Tree. And this is made from 3 plastic table covers. So stay tuned to see how I make this. For our wreath, we're going to use 3 of these 54 by 108 inch tablecloths, plastic table covers from Dollar Tree. And the first thing we're going to do is, when we take it out of the package, is we're just going to take our scissors, once we fold it out, and we're just going to cut through the center. So we have 2 pieces. Each side will have stripes on one end and purple on the other. So when you get through, you'll have 2 pieces. Once you get all your strips cut, we're just going to take our strip and bunch it up. And then we're going to take it and secure it, one of the little corner rungs, or cross rungs right there. We're just going to lay it down and twist it. Okay, then we're going to flip our wreath over. Okay, what we're going to do for this one, I took a paper towel roll and I've cut it in half, so I have 2, or if you have 2 toilet tissue rolls, you can use those. But what you're going to go through the first rung, put your roll in. That's to keep your measurements. Through the second rung, around your roll, around your third rung, go around your roll. Okay? Then, for the next one, you're going to go through the center rung. Not this one, but through the center. Okay? And hold that one with your finger. And then come back up through the first one. Put your other roll in. Come through the middle one. Put it on the roll. Come through the third one. Get it through your roll. Now you're going to come back up in the middle again. Hold that one with your hand. Then you're going to pull out your first roll. Go up through here. Put your roll in. Do the next one. Okay. And the next one. And through the middle and hold it. Pull out your roll, back up, through your roll. And by doing that, we keep them all even, and we don't pull your loops back out when you're putting your tablecloth through each time. I mean, if you can do it just without the toilet paper roll, go for it, but I just can't. I kept pulling it back out, and I'd have huge loops and small loops. Okay, and when you come to the end, you're just going to take your last little piece and you'll secure it with the twist tie. And when you're securing that last piece, go ahead and attach your next strip. So I got it right here. I'm just going to take it Crumble it up. Put it in the twist tie and twist. Okay, now you could go ahead and add this row, or you could go back and fluff these out. I'm going to go back and fluff them out so you can see. So we're just going to take it. With a sparkly orange ribbon, and all we're going to do is go right in here section and just push our ribbon through and hook it with the twist tie that we already had on the back. So there we go. And then just every so often I'm just going to kind of poke the ribbon down into the wreath and flip it over. And you could secure this with a twist tie, but this is wired ribbon, so I'm just going to wrap it around the rung right there, and that'll stay. This tablecloth is really sticky. It sticks to itself really good, so it'll hold the ribbon in. And since we're not cutting the ribbon, we can take it off and reuse it on a different project if you want. And I'm just going to cut it off, take this tail and tuck it through. There we go. Now I'm going to use this little eat, drink, and be scary sign, and we're going to affix it right on this side over here. I'm just doing it with a twist tie. I'm going to put it under my ribbon. I'm just going to take my twist ties, put them through right there. Flip it over. Twist. Okay. Now I've got the skull. I'm going to put him over here. So I need to put a little hole in him. So I'm just going to take my scissors. And if you had a drill, you could just drill a little hole, but I'm just going to carefully put a little hole right there. And then another one, let's see. And we'll just put a twist tie through his head. Just pull it through. Then we're just going to do the same thing we did with the sign, and we're going to push it through. And twist tie that. Skull, and then we have the hand we want to attach, and we're going to do the same thing with it. We're going to just put a hole through it and hook it with a twist tie. Now the hand on here, I just heated it with the blow dryer and kind of curved the fingers around so he would hold my the bottle. So then we're just going to push the pipe cleaner through the hole. Yep. So let's see. Just going to hook this right here. Then we're going to take our bottle and put it in our skeleton's hand like he is drinking from this bottle. So I took my little bottle and I just wrapped a pipe cleaner around the neck of it, and we are going to secure that to the wreath. Just kind of fluff that back up. we're going to move our arm down so that it can reach our bottle. And I'm just going to put a, let's see, a glue dot from scrapbooking on the hand on the bottom to hold it to the bottom of the bottle. You could put a drop of hot glue, but I don't know how well that would stick to the bottle. And do we need these spikers? Okay, everybody, that's my wreath. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope the instructions weren't too unclear. It's really simple, just cutting the tablecloth into strips and just feeding it through the wreath. You don't have to twist tie but a few places, and then just add your decorations and make it your own. I could even take this one after Halloween and use this same base to do a Thanksgiving one. So remember, Sissy can do it. Y'all can do it too. So get out there and craft, y'all. Bye.